To start monitoring or updating your website, you should already have the web address to your control panel, a username and a password. Simply open a web browser and type in or just paste the web address to your control panel, then press enter. You should land on a page with two fields. Fill in your username and your password. Then press login. Once you're logged in, on the top left corner of your browser you should see a little tool icon. Click on that and click on Training and Documentation. This will open a page with all the instructions and tutorials. Just pick and choose. From there you can watch a video and also check other informations here on the side. Once you're finished using the control panel, don't forget to log out, especially if you are in a public place or on a shared computer.